These are the funniest animal videos ever.
Oh, what the fuck is that? Jesus.
It's Mr. Krabs.
No way.
Put him right here. He looks so cute. Oh my god.
Wah.
Why are you still
Slap the
here?
best. I wish,
Go
man. I don't know what the
away.
fuck is wrong with all my shit. He's gonna kill himself. Oh. It's a cow. I thought he was gonna fart.
Coughed and farted.
Ah, yeah, there you go. God damn it.
I need an egg. Thank you.
I'll put all my microphones on at the same time, man. Don't tempt me. Oh, what the fuck? You're tiny.
These people were lost and stopped to ask for directions.
Buenas tardes, perdona, para Bolonia.
That way? Oh, I bet.
Gracias. Qué bueno, tío. Ole.
Yeah, oh! There's a giant fucking fat fish. Hamster. Oh my god! Look, it's you in the morning. Look. Wait for it. No. Oh my god!
You eat in my car, maybe there's something dead on it.
Oh. That's disgusting.
This sheep was stuck in a trench and got rescued.
I've seen this one, it's fucking idiot. It's gonna jump.
Все, операция удалась.
Thank you for being so patient. You've been so patient.
Oh, the other one.
Okay, now.
Oh, there we go. Did not forget they can speed.
This poor little hedgehog deflated.
Oh, what the fuck?
These girls found a squirrel on the side of the road that they
That can
thought could
happen?
use some help.
Oh my god.
Bro's dead. Oh, never
This
mind.
person tried picking up a frog.
1, 2, 3.
Ah.
You did not.
Oh! I told you, this is a very good technique. Whenever someone picks you up and you don't want to, just shit yourself. It's perfect.
3. You did not.
Send us some Discord memes. You can after this.
Go, Saskia.
I'm gonna put chat on the right side because I keep looking at chat. And right now, if I look at chat, I'm looking at my microphone.
Just piss on them and mark your territory.
There we go. Chat is looking behind my microphone.
It's Horace. Horace, no,
Don't
that
piss.
won't go in your cheek. Come here. No. Pass me the ball.
Whoa! That one's a classic.
This streamer was trying to sneak up on this deer without scaring it.
Oh, I've seen this one. It's amazing. Like what we're watching.
A zoo installed
Bro,
a
it's
new
like,
security
we're watching.
camera and it scared the snow leopard.
He's like, oh, there's a turn on.
Oh my god. I cut myself with my screen protector on my phone, man. Ow.
Yeah, what up, everybody?
Bah. Oh.
Oh, I see how it is.
So
Rude.
So this is really interesting and I have no explanation for why, but this frog refuses to jump outside of this circle.
Oh, chat. Goose is gonna play Marvel Rivals alone. I have been once more abandoned. How dare you? It's fine. We can just watch chat for fun.
Oh my god, you're like so dry today.
You keep abandoning me.
Nah, that's the maddest, bro.
Sad.
That's sick. Gonna put it on, bro? He's not gonna put it on. Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro.
Oh, look at a monkey. That is cool.
Nah! Nah!
I'm sad, like actually. You don't love me.
Oh! What a fucking yoink! Hi!
For some reason, this horse doesn't like talking to men.
No boys, right?
No boys
Especially
allowed.
not this one.
Oh. Bro, I feel half of these are like just llamas spitting on people. Hi Georgie, hi Dereki, what's up? I would never go near a llama, man. Oh my god, he's gonna pass out. Are you okay? Yeah, what the fuck?
He made a fire to warm up his horses that were in the field.
For the horses here.
Aw.
And this one might have got a little close.
Holy shit.
These two little guys were spotted doing push-ups at the gym.
You know, they're reef for the lizard like this.
This gorilla was upset that their stick got stuck.
Aw, honestly, same.
Oh no!
Oh, is he upset? Just fucking look! Holy shit.
MashaAllah.
Yeah, look.
Wait, why does he have a camel on the back of a truck?
MashaAllah.
Honestly, not even gonna ask, it's fine.
Yeah, look.
If I could have a camel on the back of my truck, I would do it the same.
Poor guy got so upset.
Oh, don't tell me he's gonna miss. You okay? Jesus.
Well, hi there. Are you good or are you bad?
Bad.
I'm not sure if this cat is really
Bad.
brave or really dumb. This poor pelican suddenly fell asleep.
They will. Look, he just has to. Yeah.
Where the fuck did bro come from? Jesus.
Hey! Where are you going?
This cat was chasing a mouse and couldn't figure out where it went.
Where's the mouse, Tucker?
Where's the mouse?
Aw,
Where's the mouse? They grabbed the mouse by the tail.
I'm trying
that's a bad idea.
Tucker. No.
I guess you never know when squirrels might attack.
I will take, how is you? That is a chunky hamster, oh my god.
This pigeon was walking around and intentionally put on some bread necklaces.
Is he yanking it for later?
This llama heard someone make a rude comment.
Ew, he's ugly.
That's cute.
Oh no.
Did I say something?
Why is he? That's pretty. Fucking llama bullying. Oh. Chicken far. Chicken far. Oh, what the fuck? What the?
This monkey just realized that he might need some glasses.
He's got my glasses. What's your prescription, bro?
Aw. Bro was seeing the difference. That's so cute. Like, huh? Giraffe zoomies. Meow, meow, meow.
So what do you think he's thinking about? I think we found out who the main character is.
Aw. He's like a berry. Or meat, I don't know.
She kept being harassed by her horse, so she decided to finally catch him in the act.
Oh no, is he gonna... But it's the same coat that I put on my motorcycle. It's kind of funny. Gamer subs cup from the gamer goods.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Say cheese! Cheese!
Bro, bears look so goofy. Oh my god. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, this has all
This
the food now.
groundhog keeps stealing food from this farmer and always eats it directly in front of the security camera.
Oh, I said fucking asshole. I love this video. I love this dude. Such an attitude, bro.
These otters were spotted chasing a butterfly.
Aww. Bro, this is a Disney movie. Look at them.
I think this fish is broken.
Oh. What the fuck? How do you evolve to be like this, man? Like, what's the purpose? You gotta see, I mean, you have predators like above you a lot? Like, what?
Sometimes an octopus will try and punch a fish just for fun.
Why? What an asshole.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's a crab!
This is a hognose snake, which is a harmless snake that likes to play dead.
Likes to play dead. Oh no! It's a fucking dramatic snake!
For harmless snake
Look! It's a dramatic
that
snake.
likes to play
Look.
dead.
You're like, oh no!
For some
That's
reason, this
funny.
cow was trying to catch
Wait,
its
and
own
shits itself? Okay, never mind.
tail.
Not funny anymore. Oh.
I have never seen this type of disrespect before.
Oh, what?
Okay.
Gotta give her good bananas. This is one of the shitty bananas.
For some reason, this hamster has a knife.
What? Oh no!
Why is this capybara so small? This truck that was carrying oranges broke down, so these elephants took advantage.
The guys have got a bit of a problem here,
Oh no, I gotta fix it quick.
and the elephants are coming and helping themselves, taking advantage.
It's fine, it's a couple of oranges.
These eagles were trying to build a nest together.
Hey yo, what the fuck? What do you do? Holy shit!
What the fuck?
Look! Like, there's just vibing. And then like... What the fuck?
Always the party eagles, man.
Poor eagle, man. Holy
It's always
shit.
the dudes. It's always the men.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Pow, pow.
I can see the eagle be like, oh, sorry, hon.
Sorry, I found the stick.
Apertura automática.
Oh, that is cool.
Ma che brava nisso.
Hey, yo, I stuck. Yo.
He's done with asking and has started demanding.
Bro, is it JoJo character? What the fuck?
This guy found a really round bear.
He is a fat bear. Oh my god.
Holy shit, it's Winnie the Pooh.
There's a
But
lot
black.
more over here on this list.
Like Winnie
This
the Pooh.
duck loves getting kisses.
Aww. Oh, yeah. Never mind. I was gonna say you can't do that.
It's not.
Oh.
Back.
Have you ever seen a horse that's equipped with turbo?
Turbo?
This pigeon was hurt, so this.
Why you can't just... I don't... I was waiting for the horse to arrive and like... or something. What the fuck? I can't.
This pigeon was hurt, so they spent months nursing it back to full health. They were finally ready to release it back into the wild.
I mean, technically it can help, right? Oh, he doesn't want to leave.
I can't tell which bird is more angry.
Aw. Birds are so weird, like, if you think about it, man. Oh, okay.
This poor little guy doesn't know how wheels work.
I mean, it looks to me like he's using the wheel perfectly fine.
This fish somehow found a pacifier.
Bro. Chicken. Oh, holy
This
shit!
little baby chicken was adopted by this duck.
Aww. Isn't there a plot of a Disney movie that's like this, literally? Like a duck is adopted by swans or something? Look at him go.
Hey, Dreamer poop.
Dreamer pooped, yes. So just
Oh, man. You poop?
Yes?
Oh,
Yeah.
This ostrich kept
Duckly
bothering this
duckly,
giraffe.
yeah. That's so old, holy shit.
I don't think the ostrich was supposed to be there.
Ow.
This monkey was really excited to see her.
Good morning, Nick.
Aw.
Yeah, good morning.
This poor little guy couldn't hold on.
I think I still have that movie somewhere on DVD too. Or not even DVD, on the stupid like cassettes or something. My mom bought a few of Disney movies when I was young. Remember when you could buy movies, chat?
Yeah.
You used to buy stuff and you had them. Oh, you could actually buy movies and instead of renting them and like actually
This
having
penguin
them.
wasn't having a very good day
And you could
after
now
falling in some mud.
What the fuck? Oh, it's a penguin? Poor dude!
Somebody penguin.
What the fuck? Is there water nearby?
I thought they walked like they're like old grandparents.
Old parents.
This
Yeah,
cat
put the
somehow
fish in
managed to scare away a bear.
Oh yeah, Netflix. Netflix. You guys know what Netflix used to be like?
They
used to
couldn't
mail
figure
the
out why the car
DVDs.
wasn't starting.
I mean like buying on the store though. That's a raccoon. Holy
Just
shit.
like that, Cash.
Excuse me?
Nah, my M4 just got jacked.
Meow meow meow. Oh, he's accepted!
Oh,
It's a smooth gorilla.
trying to go to sleep or take a nap, and he's
Smooth
just...
gorilla!
It seems like
Oh
this bird is trying
my
to be.
god, I need this. I wanna get this bird.
Oh, I'm trying
Old
to go to
Spice bird.
sleep or take a nap, and he's just...
It seems like this bird is trying to be as annoying as possible.
We had Netflix on the Wii? Oh my god, that is annoying.
So why is he sitting like this?
Get a parrot, teacher. Can we get a parrot? I wanna get a parrot.
This lion was chasing a wildebeest when the unexpected happened.
Oh, okay.
Someone found a bird that wants to take over the world.
bird wheel arc is summoning. I've been so eepy today. I need to go get some coffee.
His face. It looks like he's laughing.
Oh yeah, that's the spot.
She really decided that violence was the only option.
Huh? Oh, I need to ask them.
Wait, oh,
Whoa.
Tower.
This deer loves eating bananas.
Banana deer.
Hello.
What the heck is going on here?
Bro. Oh, what?
Oh.
The what?
I told
Y'all said he went to the
you have
rematch,
to
so
stop
we'll do a
coming
rematch
around.
eventually.
Stop bringing your mates. I can see
Never have time.
he's there. We have no food.
The fisherman caught a fish and then tried to release it, but it wouldn't swim back down. This is because there was air in the gas bladder of the fish. The fisherman helped the fish burp to release the air.
Burp it out.
You gotta burp the fish? What the fuck?
Is that better? Now let's see.
I guess it
look at
works.
that. Away he goes.
What? Huh? Chat, now you know if you have a fish that needs to go down and he can't. What is happening? There's so many deers. What the fuck?
Stacy.
Chase me, chase me, chase me, chase me, chase me.
Oh, it's gonna be good. Look.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go.
Aww. Ah, yes, perfect. Normal. Normal.
These raccoons were caught in the act.
Oh. Oh no, he looks so guilty. Look at him. Quick, pretend to be a man. Hello there, sir. Oh. The way they go up is by air, and the way they go down is by burping it out. I thought they just swam up and down. I legit thought they just swam up and down, and that's
is the
it.
end of this video, or I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Later, daily dose. But how do they, if they're down, how do they go, like, I don't know if I'm being stupid. How do they make, how do the fish make air bubbles somewhere? I don't know.